Our goal is to capture them and collect any crates they're transporting. Thanks to Hondo's intel, we know they're on Tatooine. Grogu and I will meet you there.
Okay, friends, you have your mission. Capture the bounties, and engineers will steal their crates. Now get the move on, and know that I have complete faith in you.
Supervised younglings. Por favor, permanezcan sentados y cuide a los niños.
Okay, my friends, chase down those bounties. Engineers, grab crates from their ships. I can sell the crates, and we can split the profits. Go now, and rendezvous with the Mandalorian on Tatooine. Make the jump to hyperspace, and good luck.
This is the ship Hondo sends. Only one pilot? Just keep the ship steady, if you can. Hondo wants crates. Practice on these. Engineers, hit the flashing button to activate your tractor beam. You're getting warmed up. Gunners, take out those scouts. Good work, Gunners. Enough practice. You're ready. There's our bounties. Stay hidden while I think of a plan. Grogu, don't touch those buttons. I said don't touch. New plan. We'll catch one bounty. They're splitting up. Chase them down. Hit the boosters. They're escaping. We need to know where they're headed. Right engineer, launch the homing beacons. Looking on follow one. Bespin, Coruscant, or Endor. Left engineer, pick our destination. Fast. Coruscant, let's head out. Grogu, buckle up. Make that jump to light speed. There's our bounty. Traffic, switching to ion cannons.
Hello, engineers. Remember, more crates means more credits.
They're working on it, Hondo. After them. We'll rendezvous on the other side. Watch out for those power couplings. They'll disable the ship. Nice catch, kid. Oh no. Enemy ships incoming. Bring up the ship while I grab this Imperial officer. Backup is here. New Republic X-Wings.
One leader here. Clear of path.
Copy that, leader.
I'll cover you. Hit the boosters. Time to jump to light speed. Mission complete. Yes, you can say hi to your new friends.
Unloading crates now. Ah, a respectable haul. To the right buyer, we can fetch a very good price.
Good work, crew. Grogu and I I will hand over the Imperial officer to the New Republic when they arrive. Say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Not you, Hondo. The kid.
What rank did you get?
Pirate. Everyone got pirate.
Oh, wait, my friends. I'm afraid we have picked up a hitchhiker. Oh, fine. Scan the exterior of the Falcon for life forms. You see, this happens sometimes when you travel through uncharted regions of the galaxy. I am ending this conversation. We are now ready to disembark.